Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing another rice water video update. Well, actually, this is my first update. I did a rice water one already, and if you guys haven't seen me use black rice water, I will put it right here. But my rice water of choice is black rice, and like I said, I'll put it up here so you guys can check it out. But I'm absolutely in love with it. I just like how it makes my hair feel. I like that it doesn't have a horrible smell. I just kept the same exact rice that I had last time. I just kept it in this jar, and I just added some water to it last night, and this morning got me some rice water, y'all. This is my spray bottle. You guys have already seen it. It's from Sally's, but I do have another one in my Amazon store if you would like to get it. I got some rice water just out from the same exact rice I used last time, so I'm like, yes. And it's very potent too. It's very potent, so that's a good thing. But I've already shampooed my hair because my hair just has so much on it, and I'm like, I think cleansing your hair first is very beneficial when you're using black rice, just because it gets all in there. You don't want anything covering your cuticles. You want your black rice, or whatever type of rice water you're going to use, you really want it to get in and penetrate your hair. So I do like to shampoo my hair, and I did go in with the Eco Slave Peppermint Schnapps hair wash. I really like this shampoo. I've talked about it in a few other videos, but I really like it, number one, because it has a nozzle, but it's very moisturizing. It's not stripping to your hair. A little bit goes a long way. So when I am shampooing with this, I'm just like squirt, 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 and massaging it. All of a sudden, boom, I feel like all of my hair is cleansed, but I do feel a moisture feeling on top of that. So I really do like that, but I did use that to shampoo, and that's where I am right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. So I put my hair in like 2 pigtails, nothing too serious, just so I can get it a little out of my way. But this is what my hair is looking like right now. Now I'm about to section off my hair into 4 sections because I want to basically work like I'm doing a wash and go. I want to make sure every strand is coated with the rice water. So I'm going to go ahead and section off, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so my hair is all sectioned off. I'm going to start in this back section back here. And like I said, I'm going to just add it like I'm doing a wash and go, so y'all know. Start back here. Like I said, I like to put mine in a spray bottle, so honestly, it's so straightforward. But I like to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So here we go. I just like to spray my hair. So I just like to go at the roots, spray a few sprays, and also the length of my hair. Just like that. Make sure I work it in and move on to the next. And it's pretty much what I'm going to do to the whole head, y'all. So I am going to let y'all listen to some music while I do this. And I'll come back after I'm done. the rice water, and this is the messiest thing ever. Like, I hate being this wet, but there's no other way around it if I'm going to film it in front of the camera. As you guys saw in the previous clips of me doing it, I really did some finger detangling. I really worked this product in, and as you can see, my hair is already sucking this stuff up. I love this stuff. I love some black rice water. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for probably like 30 minutes or so. I'll let you know how long I let it sit when I come back, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna add a deep conditioner. All right, you guys, so I've already rinsed out the rice water, and this is what my hair is looking like. Now I am going to be adding a deep conditioner, and I'm gonna go in with the Oribe Moisture and Control Deep Treatment Mask. You guys already know I did kind of like a first impressions review or so on this. It's a very prestige brand. This is a very expensive product, but I am going to be using it because it is good and I do have it. So I'm just going to section my hair off once again, and then I'll come back and show you guys just me putting it on so you guys can get the whole gist of everything. Now, I will say with the black rice water, I instantly feel my hair is thicker. Like, I don't know what it is. Well, I know it makes it like stronger, but yeah, this feels like my hair feels very thick right now. Just, you know, is immediately, like every time I use it, it's always instant. So I do like that, and it just feels stronger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of the deep conditioner, actually a lot of the deep conditioner, like a lot of it. And I'm just gonna saturate this entire section. And you want to do this, you want to get a moisturizing deep conditioner because, of course, protein does the strengthening, but you want to balance it all out. So after I do my rice waters, I like to just go in with a moisturizing conditioner, you know, just so my hair can get some of that moisture back in, because it was feeling kind of dry. Just a little bit, not a lot though, not a lot. And this is when I like to kind of like finger detangle a little bit, separate and stuff. So all of the deep conditioner is applied to my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys, I've used this twice and it ain't really went nowhere, and I'm just like, okay. And I just used a lot on my hair just now, so I'm like, even though this Oribe is very expensive, it doesn't look like you need a lot. Like, this can last me way more than all these other deep conditioners. But anyway, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So my hair is completely deep conditioned down, so I'm just gonna put this big cap on. I do see a lot of people asking me, where did I get these caps from? These caps come from the Main Choices website. They have large shower caps, so if you are interested, that's where I got them from, their website. I'm just gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and then we're going to be done. So I think this is actually the conclusion of this video, because it's really a rice update video. So I'm just gonna end the video right here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really do like black rice water if you're having issues with knowing your protein moisture balance. If you have any confusion on that whole system, I would say start off with like a black rice water if you're trying to incorporate protein into your regimen. And I think it's a lot easier, and, you know, I don't know, I just like it best. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.